Welcome to the FITTA Sleepers DIY installation video. fittafence.com.au. Step 1. Prepare your site. Use pegs to measure out your retaining wall or garden bed. Set string lines between the top and bottom, with the top at the final height of the wall, and make sure they're level. Make a mark centre to centre. Step 2. Dig your holes. At the marked spots, dig out holes with a 450mm diameter. The depth of the holes should be the height of your wall plus 10%. Step 3. Set your posts. Mix up concrete into a wet slump. Working with one hole at a time, fill the hole with concrete and insert posts. Push down until the top of the post is level with the string line. Remember to double check using a spirit level. Remember to allow the concrete to set as per your packaging instructions. Step 4. Insert your FITTA sleepers. Grab a mate and carefully lift the sleepers above the posts. Slide the sleepers into the posts one at a time, gently lowering them onto the concrete pad. Check the bottom sleeper in each bay is level. Then continue stacking sleepers on top of each other. For more information, go to fittafence.com.au. FITTA Sleepers. Greener, better, fitter.